This is our 5th annual Lumberjack Days. It started with just doing some demoing with saws, and it grew from there. When times were tight, we had like customers that just kept coming in and saying, "Oh, come on, we got to play the game." So even in our crazy economy, we pulled it off, and we couldn't do it without all the support of our contestants, our town, our staff, and our volunteers.
Pretty much everybody here knows one another through working with each other or another company, and we all just like to come out and have fun, compete against each other.
There's one other girl this year and I'm so proud of her. She's keeping up with me. It's awesome. It's definitely an adrenaline rush. You have to get that going in order to compete with them boys because they do this for a living.
Lumberjack ready? 3, 2, 1.
I am a chainsaw enthusiast. I built that old 1946 Mercury two-man chainsaw. All these guys work really hard all year long, and almost everybody's got families, and we barely see each other. So it's awesome just to goof around for a whole weekend.